My favourite heritage dish has to be
Parathas, because they go with just about any curry and you can fill it up with anything. You can have it sweet or savoury, and if you have it sweet, you just drizzle over some condensed milk.
Wors cooked on the fire, chakalaka and stewepap. I think it's relatable, I think it's comforting, I think it's honest, unpretentious, and I mean, have you ever had a bad version of it?
My grandmother's sampan beans with some beef bones, and it's only rivaled by my love for ting le cabbage.
Bunny chow has to be my favorite South African dish. Big, bold flavors, incredibly filling, and so satisfying to eat.
A slow weavered lamb shoulder stuffed with anchovies, capers, pine nuts, some garlic, some rosemary. I'd cook it really slowly, then crisp it up on the weber, and then I would do braai broodjies.
Tepe. So it's just like like a green, and you just cook it like you would spinach, salt, pepper, and then like pap on the side.
Snoek braai. We have a great tradition in my family. We do it every September, and it's really close to home.
Chicken feet with white pap. I love that gelatinous stock that you get from chicken feet.
Boltod and braai broodjies.
Biryani, it reminds me of home, reminds me of Durban, the spices, the smells, it's filled the house and it always brings me back to a very special place.
roast chicken stuffed with a pork sausage stuffing with lots of sage, gravy, roast potatoes and gem squash loaded with butter.